for an awesome home-cooked meal and amazing huge burgers, a stop at the Wooden Spoon Kitchen and Bakery in La Porte, Texas is a must. Come on in and let's take a look.
So we're at the Wooden Spoon Kitchen and Bakery here in La Porte, Texas. The Wooden Spoon comes from our family recipes. One day we just decided that we wanted to open a restaurant, and originally we thought it was going to be a burger joint, but it just took off with the home cooking and the bakery. A lot of people come in for homemade desserts. That's the first place that people stop at whenever they come into the restaurant. Our chicken fried steaks are a big hit, our hamburgers, cheeseburgers, our homemade onion rings, our batter is made from scratch, our fried green tomatoes are a hit with everybody. So we have something called a dizzy chicken. So it's a hand battered fried chicken breast, and it's topped with raspberry chipotle, candied jalapenos, and pepper jack cheese. We also have a chicken parmesan sandwich that has cheese sticks, marinara, and it's topped with ooey gooey cheese. We also have what we call a down south cheeseburger. It's our cheeseburger topped with our fried green tomatoes and a little bit of remoulade sauce, so it kind of hits a little different.
So all of our meringue pies are our grandmother's recipe. It's what we grew up on. It's what she had in their cafe up in East Texas when we were in high school. Our banana pudding I make fresh every morning, homemade whipped cream, hand-cut bananas. We make different kind of cakes, all homemade. Our best seller is our strawberry and our strawberry crunch, which is sadly not in the case today.
So here at the Wooden Spoon, we are a family-based restaurant. As you can see, my sister is here. My wife helps run it. My mom is a hostess here. We have very close friends and family. There's going to be even sometimes that you see our kids running around here. We're very about our family because we're very into the family get together and eat, because you don't see that anymore with the busy lifestyles. We want you to come in here, enjoy a meal, sit down at the table with your family, laugh, talk, cut up, make it feel like you're back at Grandma's house. The Wooden Spoon Kitchen and Bakery here in La Porte, Texas. We are at 1133 South Broadway. We're at the intersection of Fairmont and Broadway behind the Exxon station in Jack's Plaza. Come eat, come enjoy some good food. Come see us for desserts, whether it's pickup, takeout. We do DoorDash within 5 miles. Come enjoy some good home cooking food. We are open Monday through Thursday, 10:30 to 2:30, Friday and Saturday, 10:30 to 8 o'clock, and we are closed on Sundays.